Hi friend, my name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss how to teach the concept of odd and even numbers to a young child. Odd and even numbers can be a little difficult for a child to understand. So, if you are trying to do it, be patient. Start by introducing the concept in a practical way so the child can start to see the pattern. Then work on other activities to reinforce the idea. Before starting the concept, make sure the child knows number names and their symbols. He should have the ability to associate the quantity to the symbols and understanding of sequence. For this, refer my previous videos. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. For teaching the concept, you need 55 objects like beads, small erasers, pom-pom balls, buttons, etc. Whatever objects you are using should be countable, easy to handle by a child and easily available at your home. You also need number cards. Our number range is from number 1 to number 10. Make sure whatever materials you are using should be simple enough so the child can focus on the process itself rather than any complicated and distracting procedure. Let's see how we can teach a child to differentiate between odd and even numbers from 1 to 10 using number cards and objects with a simple activity. The activity will help the child to identify that odd numbers does not have a friend and an even number does have a friend. It also makes the child understand that an even number can be divided by 2 but an odd number cannot be divided by 2. Ayash, today we are going to learn odd and even numbers. I have some objects and some number cards. I am going to put my number cards down. Ayash, what is our first number in our number line?
0.
Good. 0 means?
Nothing.
What comes after 0?
1.
Where is 1, Ayash?
This.
Good. I'm going to keep it here. What comes after 1?
2.
Yes, 2. What comes after 2?
3.
Very good. What comes after 8?
8. 9.
Very good. And what comes after 9?
10.
Good. Good job, Ayash. Now we know our numbers. I am going to do first 3 numbers and you have to do rest of. My first number is 1. Let's count 1. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1 is on its own. This one has no friend. It is odd number. 1 is an odd number.
1 is odd number.
2. 2 is in pair. This one has a friend. 2 is an even number.
2 is a pair. 2 is a even number.
3. Let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one does not have a friend.
Last one is not have a friend.
So 3 is an odd number.
So 3 is an odd number.
Can you do 4, Ayansh?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is it a odd number or even number?
Even number.
Good. Why?
Why? Because it friend and friend.
Good. Because last one does have a friend. So 4 is an even number. Can you do 5, Ayansh?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, 5. Now, is it a odd number or even number?
Odd number.
Why, Ayansh?
Because it's friend and friend and no friend.
Good. Last one does not have a friend. So 5 is an odd number. Ayansh, is it an odd number or even number?
Even number.
Why, Ayansh?
Because it and friend and friend and friend and friend and friend.
Yes. Last one does have a friend. So 10 is an even number.
10 is an even number.
Good. Let's go through all our numbers, number 1 to number 10, and we are going to identify odd and even numbers. So, number 1 is
Odd.
very good. Number 2 is
Even.
very good. Number 3 is
Odd.
number 4 is
Even.
very good. Number 5 is
Odd.
very good. Number 6 is
Even.
number 7,
Odd.
number 8,
Even.
number 9,
Odd.
number 10.
Even.
Good, Ayansh. Now let's identify all the odd numbers. One who does not have a friend. Ayansh, tell me all the odd numbers.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Good. Now let's identify all the even numbers. One who does have a friend.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Good, Ayansh. High five. Now we know how to identify odd and even numbers. Repeat the activity until the child understands the concept. Here, repeating the activity does not mean that you have to repeat it continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for that time. You can do it again after some time or another day. With this approach, the child will develop growth towards more abstract operations. Also, the child has an understanding of the concept of odd and even numbers. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe and press bell icon. For more informative videos and blogs, please visit my website boosturbrain.com.